Number 27. The diagram shows one parent, Hydra, growing and releasing an offspring from the side of its body. So which row is correct? So it looks like this Hydra is going on the asexual reproduction. I'm certain about this because it's not involving any other parent, right? It's just doing it on your own. And there's no male or female. So it must be asexual. There's no male or female. There's no gender or sex. So which row is correct? Parent and offspring are genetically identical. Involves asexual reproduction. Yes, it involves asexual reproduction, just like I said. So the answer should be either A or C. And parent and offspring are genetically identical. Yes. The feature of asexual reproduction is that it will only create the offspring that are cloned. So this offspring is exactly the same as the parent. Okay, that's a feature of asexual reproduction. So A is correct for this one.